Today is lesson 3 for math, so I'm going to show you how to go through the work today. Number 1, complete the bar graph below using data provided in the table, then answer the questions about the data. So this is like what we did yesterday. The title we take right from the table, animal classification, so you can go ahead and write that on the line. Animal classification. Then on the side here we have to label what we are graphing. And the 4 categories in the table are birds, fish, mammals, and reptiles. So please write all of those on these 4 lines. Okay, when you have that, we need to fill in the numbers at the bottom. So this would be 0, so next would be 1, 2, you can go all the way to the end, fill it in until it's complete. Alright, so when you have all the labels ready for the graph, you can go ahead and start the bar graph. So we'll start with birds, and this line lines up with this row right here. It's 6. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then instead of doing circles, you're going to color these in. So you can go ahead and color the whole bar, and you want the entire rectangle filled in. Okay, fish is 5. So you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then color this whole thing in. I just can't do this on a laptop, but if you're doing it with a pencil, you can color the whole thing in. Alright, so you'll finish this for mammals and reptiles, and then answer the questions at the bottom. How many more animals are birds than reptiles? You can use the information from the bar graph or the table. And then D, you're going to make up your own question again, like we did yesterday. The second page is really the same thing, just goes columns instead of rows. So you'll take the title from the table, animal habitats, desert, Arctic, grasslands, and then you'll build it up. Remember, these are tally marks. These are 5. This is 1. The homework that I just flew past is more of the same. It gives you the title and the labels. Just you will have to do this bar graph in rows horizontally, answer the questions, and the second page of the homework is another bar graph that goes vertical in columns that you will make. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.